CMS electronic rearview mirror blind spot assisted installation demonstration. With the product main unit and accessories shown in the picture. Step 1. Product testing before installation. Before installation, it is necessary to connect the camera to the display screen. Plug in the power supply and power on to test whether the camera image transmission and display screen display are normal. After confirming that everything is normal, the formal installation can begin. Step 2. Installing the camera. Firstly, affix an adhesive strip on the back of the connecting cable on the camera body for future use. Then, find a suitable installation position on the front fender of the car body and mark the position. Next, insert the connecting cable of the camera body through the door gap, ensuring that the cable harness is placed on the inner side of the door hinge. Then, tear off the adhesive tape at the bottom of the camera. Position it near the edge of the car door and stick the camera onto the marked location. After securing the camera, remove the adhesive tape on the back of the wire harness and stick and secure the wire harness from the outside to the inside. The connector should be inserted into the vehicle from beneath the door seal. Using the same steps and methods, install the camera on the other side, and you will have completed the installation of cameras on both sides of the vehicle body. Step 3. Display screen installation. Unfold this magnetic stand and magnetically attach it to the back of the display screen. Then, remove the adhesive tape from the base of the bracket. Find a position that matches the driver's viewing angle and affix and secure the display screen on both sides of the center console. Step 4. Install GPS antennas. Take out the GPS antenna and connect it properly with the cable on the display screen. Remove the adhesive tape from the GPS base and find a suitable location to stick and secure the GPS antenna. Step 5. Wiring and cabling. First, plug the GPS cable connecting the bus and the display screen together. Next, connect the camera cable on the connection bus to the corresponding cable plug on the camera body. Then threaded the wire harnessed out through the body gaps. Take out the power cord for the 1-2 cigarette lighter and connect the power plug on the main cable to one of the power connectors. Then route the power cord through the gap beneath the center console and to the other side. Take out another connecting bus cable and, following the previous steps, connect it to the other display screen, camera cable, and cigarette lighter power cord. Finally, locate and conceal all exposed wiring harnesses in suitable positions, and the wiring and routing steps are completed. Step 6. Power on and camera angle adjustment. Insert the power cord plug into the cigarette lighter socket and turn on the CMS electronic rearview mirror. Then, take out the dedicated adjustment tool. Insert it into the holes on both sides of the camera and slowly rotate it for adjustment until the angle of the display screen is correct. This completes the installation of the CMS electronic rearview mirror assistance.